Welcome back. So, here goes the last module of today, that is database migration. As everyone is being working on their on premises servers and it's being so hectic for them. So, now as the world is being enhancing, technology is enhancing so much, everyone wants to move their on premises servers to cloud. So let's see how we can get our database or other servers and we how we can get that migrated over the cloud. Let's have a look. So, how does Azure SQL database or the migration over Azure portal work? So, first, what it does is it just discover what kind of data you are having, what kind of commute you are using, and how all the resources, what was there, it needs to be provided over the portal. So, what it does is first it discover all the basic structure that was built it on, and then access it, and only then accessing it, it just migrates the data and whatever is you're able to see we have two options available, that is server database and web app migration, SQL server only migration. So let's have a look how we can get the database migrated. So what we really need to do is we need to create a project over there, as I have already created a project. So what it does for me, if I just need to get assessment done, so here it goes. What it does, I just need to get one tool, that is DMA, Data Migration Assistant tool. So it just assists me what kind of migration it should be done, what are the requirement, what are the other things. It will take around 15 minutes to have all the assessment and get the data which is there being migrated for me. Other than that, I do have an option of migration tool. It do help me getting database migrated with the tools which it has to offer. So that's how it goes with the migration. And this is what it's the flow look like. Assessment, and then Azure database migration services, and whatever I have to do, whatever the on-premises or other cloud or any of the server which I have, it just follows these two process and get it migrated to Microsoft Azure, as we have already seen this on our portal, and that's how we can get the migration done over the portal. So this is all about the boot camp which we have. I hope you guys learned something out of it. It's been my pleasure to take this training. Thank you.